Hadian ke ki paidbah jong ki shnong Ka Lapangap hakmat ke kherdop sekretariat ki pulit Meghalaya kila Phah no ya kawe ke kinhun sipai SF-10 but artli ki platoon jong ka Meghalaya battalion Sha Lapangap West Jaintia Hills banpin khlan ya ke Jingiada ka DGP ke Jylla ke ida shisha nongrang kala ong bakani karai kalong hadian ke hukum jong umentri rangba ke Jylla katkum ke jingit hu jong ki shnong ki paidbah kim sha khang banram hinrei hakapor min mir ki jingthong jong ki paidbah ki sha pinjulor ka DGP kala ong ba ki sipai SF-10 ki bladawa di ki paidbah kila poi halapangap nadu ka steps ni palai but ansapet shushu kat kum ke jinglong jingman kala pentip ru ba ke Jylla kadang bishar ke jingdon kam banbu ke tempulit ha katei ke Thain ban pins kem ya ke jingiada bat ke shong suk shnong
Lapangap, as you are aware, and what Honorable CM has also mentioned, the people of Lapangap had come yesterday. There was a significant turnout. In fact, from what my officers on the ground were saying, the majority of Lapangap village turned out en masse yesterday. So it is a very genuine problem for them. They have been saying that while the Assam side is not stopping the cultivation, but what's happening is they go for the cultivation, and the evenings there, whatever they planted is uprooted during the night. So that was a problem which they are really facing, and then they're saying that we haven't had much of support from us. We've been trying our best. So yesterday the decision that was taken both by the Deputy Chief Minister, which was seconded by us, that we would send in, because of the villagers of Lapangap in the initial period when the problem first flared up, we had sent in our what we call the SF-10, right? So they wanted another presence of SF-10 there. They had gone today, and they should be reaching there by now, because they had left early this morning.
How many of them?
Platoon at the moment, and then we see, depending on the situation, we will see whether we need to put in more people or not. Because additionally, day before yesterday, we had already sent 2 platoons of Meghalaya battalion people to It would depend on the situation. When we are deploying for law and order, it all depends on what happens. It's a developing situation, so we would take assessments every now and then.
What about a police outpost, ma'am? There's a demand for the police outpost.
There is also, like with Lapangap, we recently just the other day, last Saturday, we inaugurated the Barato, which is just about I think about 16 or 19 kilometers away. As you are aware, Sam maintains that. What they call, they insist that we maintain status quo. So while they have put up their thing, it's more or less like a camp. So depending on the situation, we will also see whether we, from our side, would put up a camp.
Thank you so much.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.